You will film some luxury
Yeah,
film?
actually we will film. Everybody has the chance and their own story. Why are they here? What are their inspirations? It's great.
And the SD card is inside.
SD card, all right.
All right. So yeah, good luck with your movie. Okay.
Thank you. And microphone will be on the camera.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Petar Filipovic. I come from Serbia and I really like it here.
Je suis volontaire depuis, ça fait maintenant 1 an et j'ai fini mes études en France et après mes études je savais plus trop quoi faire et j'ai vu le service volontaire, du coup je suis venu parce que c'est aussi, je faisais mes études dans la vidéo.
Hello, my name is Luisa. I am 25 years old. I grew up in Austria. I have a German passport and I'm doing a documentary about breathing because breathing is something ordinary because we all do it, but at the same time it's extraordinary because we have healing power within us and we don't really use it.
Like this, like dancing in the. Yeah. So, Oliviero, you told me about your relationship with your camera. I need you to repeat everything because it was so interesting.
Okay, this is my camera.
Okay.
She called Lynn. I refer to her as a woman because for me she's like a woman.
Okay.
Her name is Linda.
This is actually our DIY studio. So, yeah. We're having fun here and, like working all the time on music and on film. My melody and my words. So let's go. You ready?
Kao mali dron.
Kao je.
Nije to. Sad, bez smisla, ja volim stvari koje nemaju smisla, pa nemaju priču, koje su samo...
There is a rule in Sumo.
Yeah, I know what is the rampa. We call it rampa.
Rampa, okay.
Yeah, I know.
La linea.
Okay, you finish your movie and then you send me audio. Okay, but don't make them out of face. Just don't move them. Okay, I'm gonna lock them. I'm gonna like.
Yes.
Oh, they're linked. Okay,
They're linked. Yes.
That's okay.
Može.
What is your opinion about our documentary Spirit of the Workshop and interviews and music video? What do you think? I think it's important. Ja uživam ovdje, bre.
Pa snimam se vremena.
Okay, see you guys. Without that, you wouldn't know anything from behind the scenes. From the behind the scenes and also Luxury Production who gave us everything. I think it's very
blessings, the oprema,
equipment,
spirit, the food, the love, the friendship.
So the topic of our film is homeschooling. We got interested in one specific family for this homeschooling thing, so it's really about homeschooling in Slovenia, let's say, and alternative ways of learning. What film do you make?
The one about the train conductor and the train station.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the main focus. But right now I'm helping Bill with his short docufiction.
Hello, my name is Angelina. I'm from Latvia. I'm 18 years old, and my topic for my documentary this year is coffee, and I want to show Slovenians through this tradition.
I'm making a motion picture.
Okay.
Motion picture with my friends over there.
Right. Nice.
Monika, dođi! Kamera! Kamera mi go tamo! Sa kamerom ili ne? Ajde, još.
Alo, Burozengio? Alo, Toblerone? A šta je bilo? Ovo je pravi gangsteraj.
Nema nas puno, a?
Ajmo, fino.
Gdje je Luka?
Aj, 5 minuta, molim vas, samo tiho. Ajde, 5 minuta, hvala vam.
Jebi ga, trebam nam 5 minuta tišine. Okay. Ja se izvinjujem zbog kratkotrajnosti ovog intervjua, ali ovo je kat.
Stan frontiate, stan frontiate.
Test shell will call us in about 10 seconds, so be prepared and be nice. Yeah, especially you, Peter. Test shell, this is Nenad. You coming to Krško. Tessa is coming to Krško, guys. Very nice news. Yeah, we're here and expecting you.
My name is Gregory. And
I'm wasted. I'm wasted like a fucking horse. I can't move my hands. I can't play drums. See you later, guys.
I'm Peter. And I'm playing some keyboard from D minor.
Yo. Yeah.
Who is it now? Who is it now? Nenad, Luxury Production. Oh. Hi, Nenad. How are you? Oh, great. Music video. Yeah, I want to do it. We're filming in Krško. Yeah, I'm coming right now. I'm coming right now from Belgrade. See you, Nenad. Whoa, great. I'm so tired. Oh, I'm so tired. Oh, nice place. Nice place, but where are the people? Where is Nenad? Sky's black. Hi, Nenad. Hi. Hi, Nenad. How are you?
What a nice piece that was. Yeah. Tessa, Shalas, this is you. Welcome to Slovenia. Welcome to Krško. You look more beautiful in person, yeah? Nice seeing you, Tessa. Yeah, let's hug.
Yeah, big hug.
Yeah, you look more beautiful in person.
Thank you. Now this is a great place, Krško. I like it so much.
Thank you for saying that.
But it's dark and I don't know, where is the people? Where is everybody?
It looks like everybody disappeared. Maybe I'm gonna disappear too, what do you think?
Oh, don't disappear, I need you here. What is going on? Where is everybody? Nenad, tell me, please. I don't know. Where are the people? Nenad, where are you? Nenad? Oh my God, I'm afraid. Where is everybody? Nenad, where are you? Come on, Nenad, this is not a joke.
Where are you? Where's the party?
Oh my God, I must find someone here. I'm lost.
Oh my God.
Where is everybody? Where is everybody? was wondering, I can come to this place, Slovenia. So all the people are here. Come on, guys! And I don't know what to do. I don't know where to go. Everyone is like dancing, and I don't know what to do. So I'm like, maybe I can dance. Maybe I can dance. Maybe I can dance. I can dance. Maybe I can dance. Maybe I can dance. Maybe I can dance. I can dance. Yeah, dance with the people. And I'm like, this is great. Let's dance. And I'm like, let's dance. Maybe I can dance. Maybe I can dance with them. Maybe I can dance. Maybe I can dance with them. Maybe I can dance. Maybe I can dance with them. Dance with the people. And I'm like, let's dance. And I'm like, let's dance. And I'm like, let's dance. Maybe I can dance. Maybe I can dance with them. Maybe I can dance. Let's dance.
Great.